Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. This is acrylic painting with Julie E. That's me, Julie E. And what I'm going to do is a large canvas because I'm revisiting a pour I did quite a few months ago. If you haven't heard of it, it was called There and Back Agian, a Hobbit's pour. And it was really fun. I had a blast. It was inspired by both Mina and Massey Art Studio. Here it is. And it's very pretty. I love the colors of it and stuff, but it did come out a little dark. Smog took over. But it was so much fun, and I just saw Mina do Hobbit Trails, which was inspired by There and Back Agian. And it was like talking with her and stuff. She's like, you got to do it on a bigger canvas. You got to try a bigger canvas. So that's what we're doing. We're doing a 15 by 30 Artist Loft level 3 canvas. And we're going to do There and Back Agian. I've got my trusty cup, and no, it's not an endorsement of Arby's. It's just a testament to my bad eating habits. So let's get started. I'm going to bring you down on the canvas so you can get a better look. We've got a beautiful array of colors today, and yeah, let's have some fun. Okay, I already know I don't care for this strip of purplish blue that's showing up there, and I'm loving all this. So this is pretty much what I want to keep. So let's find the weight of our paint again. And off. Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it there and just touch up my corners. With some straight color. Okay, I'll be right back. paint between my toes. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was so much fun. Have I got paint all over me? Almost. Mostly over my feet. Let me wipe up my floor so I don't track paint off of the tarp and onto the carpet. That would not be a good thing at all. Okay. Blue squishies between my toes. Oh goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I am loving this. Tis a gorgeous. My goodness. And I have a flamethrower. Here we go. Just get some of these air bubbles out before it starts drying and setting up. It is actually a warm, sunny day here for once. Yes, for once in Arizona. I know. I'm spoiled. I want winter to be over already. We actually had snow last week, and that's as much of winter as I want to see. All right. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh, I can't wait for this one to dry. Ah, this looks like abalone shell. And then that quinacridone nickel aza orange next to the tangerine orange and yellow that I mixed together with that Reflex Rose by Amsterdam popping through here and brightening it up. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. And all the little cells in here popping up like, oh, like a star field. Yep. I am so happy with this one. I hope you liked it too. We will come back and take a look at it in a little while for dry results. Okay, so as of editing the next day, it is still not dry. You can see where it's still wet, but it is drying beautifully. Zoom out. There we go. How pretty is that? So I'm going to stop here and lay it flat again before it moves. Okay, so I've got it laid flat again. But yeah, this is, zoom in a little bit more. This is the kind of dry results. And it is just so beautiful. I am in love with it. And yeah, I love it.
So yeah. Check it out on Facebook in a couple days. There'll probably be a picture of it all dry and hanging on the wall. Or maybe even one from outside showing how pretty and sparkly it is. So, until next time guys, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!